Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted files on Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Accidental and intentional file deletion is extremely common among corporate employees. Some Google Workspace users delete files but later realize they deleted the wrong ones. In this video, I will show you how to recover the deleted files on your Google Drive. It's so simple how to do it. You can just open your Google Drive on your phone. And now, you can go to your trash by tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here, and you'll find there is an option trash. You can just tap on that. Here's all your deleted files on your Google Drive. If you want to restore, you can just choose on the files that you want to restore. Maybe for the example, you want to choose this one. You can just tap and hold on the files. Now you can tap on here, on the three dots over here on the upper right corner. And you'll find there is an option restore. You can just tap on that, tap on restore, so the files will be moved to your main files list on your Google Drive. So simple, right? So that is how to recover deleted files on your Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.